Welcome to lesson number 3, ATS resume formatting tips. Learn examples of best templates, fonts, and layouts. Imagine spending hours perfecting your resume, only for it to be rejected in less than a second by an applicant tracking system. Why? Because the formatting wasn't ATS-friendly. This happens to millions of job seekers every year. But don't worry, today I'll walk you through exactly how to format your resume with templates, fonts, and layouts that actually work. Why formatting matters. An ATS resume format isn't about making it pretty. It's about making it readable for both the software and the recruiter. Most hiring managers rely on ATS systems to filter hundreds of applications. If your resume has fancy tables, images, or columns, the ATS can't read it, which means your application gets trashed before human eyes ever see it. That's why formatting your resume correctly is just as important as the content itself. Keep the layout simple. When it comes to ATS resume formatting tips, simplicity wins. Use a single column structure. No graphics, no logos, and definitely no text boxes. Stick to clear section headings like contact information, summary or objective, work experience, education, skills. That's it. A simple resume layout makes it easier for the ATS to scan your information and pass it on to the recruiter. Choosing ATS-friendly fonts. One of the most common questions job seekers ask is, which fonts are ATS-friendly? The safest choices are fonts like Arial, Calibri, Helvetica, Verdana, or Times New Roman. These are clean, readable, and universally accepted across systems. Avoid script fonts, artistic fonts, or anything that looks too stylized. If your resume looks like it belongs in a wedding invitation, it's not going to work for ATS. The best resume templates for ATS. Many people download free resume templates online, but here's the catch. Most of them are not ATS-friendly. If you're using a template with multiple columns, icons, or heavy design, the ATS won't process it. Instead, choose a plain, professional, ATS-friendly resume template. You can find these in Word, Google Docs, or on platforms like Canva, but make sure to select the simple options, not the creative ones. Bullet points should be your best friend. Keep them short, focused, and keyword-rich. For example, increased customer satisfaction scores by 20%, managed a team of 8 employees, implemented new training system to reduce errors by 15%. See how clear and measurable that looks? That's what both ATS and recruiters love. Formatting do's and don'ts. Here are some quick bullet rules to always follow. Use consistent fonts and sizes. Save your resume as a Word document, .docx, or PDF only if the job posting allows it. Use standard headings, experience, education, skills, summary. Stick to 1-inch margins. Don't use headers or footers for contact info. Don't add charts, graphics, or logos. Don't use tables or multi-columns. Passing ATS versus failing ATS. Let me share a quick story. A job seeker once showed me a beautifully designed resume in Canva. 2 columns, icons for each skill, even a little profile picture. It looked amazing. But when we tested it in an ATS simulation, it came out blank. The system didn't recognize a single skill. We reformatted it into a clean, 1-column layout with the same information, plain fonts, and keyword-rich bullet points. The next week, that resume landed 2 interview calls. The content didn't change, but the formatting did. Tailoring structure for each job. Another big question is, do I need a different resume format for every job? The answer is not entirely. The structure stays the same. Contact info, summary, experience, education, skills. But the content inside each section needs tailoring. For example, if a posting emphasizes project management, place your project management skills higher on your skills list. Small tweaks in structure can make a big difference in ATS rankings. Quick checklist. Before you submit your resume, check these final steps. Is your resume one column, clean and simple? Are you using an ATS-friendly font? Did you avoid tables, graphics, and images? Did you save it in the correct format requested by the job post? Did you tailor keywords to match the job description? If the answer is yes to all 5, your resume is ATS ready. Conclusion: formatting is not about design. It's about clarity, readability, and getting results. If you follow these resume formatting tips, choose ATS-friendly fonts, and use templates that work, your resume won't just get seen, it will get noticed. Remember, every detail matters. Don't let formatting cost you your dream job. Take action today, fix your resume, and step confidently into your career journey. Reminder: this was Lesson 3 of the Complete Resume course. Resume and CV formatting for ATS. In Lesson 4, we'll dive into powerful resume summaries and objectives, how to write introductions that grab attention in just 2 lines. To learn more about resume building, like, share, and subscribe now.